In today's video, we're diving into the best settings for streaming on Streamlabs in 2024. Whether you're looking to optimize your setup or a beginner, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, open up Streamlabs and make sure you're logged in. You'll want to go to the settings gear icon at the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, you'll see several tabs on the left. We'll go through the most important ones for streaming, that is, General, Stream, Output, Video, and Advanced. First, in the General tab, ensure that language is set to your preferred language. For most of us, that's English. Then scroll down and enable automatically start Streamlabs when I start my computer, if you want convenience. Also, make sure confirm stream title and game before going live is checked to avoid any mistakes. Next, we have the Stream tab. Here you'll link your streaming platform. Click on Stream and select your platform, whether it's Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, or something else. Enter your stream key from your platform account, which you can usually find in the creator dashboard. Now, the most crucial part, output settings. Switch to the output tab and set the output mode to advanced. This will give you more control over your settings. Under the streaming section, set the encoder to NVENC if you have an NVIDIA GPU or X24 if you don't. Now, rate control, set this to CBR. On bitrate, this depends on your internet speed. For 1080p at 60 fps, go for 6000 kbps. If you're streaming in 720p, 3000 kbps should be suffice. Now, keyframe interval, set this to 2. And on preset, choose quality for a balance of performance and stream quality. On profile, set this to high. If you're recording your streams, adjust the settings there. Standard type should be standard. Recording path should be choose where you want your recordings to be saved. And on recording format, use MP4 or MKV. On audio tracks, select the tracks you want to record. Now moving on to the audio tab, set the simple rate to 48 kHz for better audio quality. Then select your desktop audio device and mic auxiliary audio device based on your setup. This will be your main speakers or headset on your microphone. In your video tab, set your base canvas resolution to your monitor's resolutions, like 1920 by 1080. Finally, let's look at the advanced tab. On process priority, set this to high to ensure Streamlabs gets enough resources. On color format, set to NV12. On UV color space, set it to 709, and on UV color range, set it to full. And there you have it. These are the best settings for Streamlabs in 2024 to ensure a smooth and high quality streaming experience.